Hello world. In this tutorial, we are going to learn HTML, that is Hypertext Markup Language. So, before going deep into this, let's have a recap of our previous lecture. So, in the previous tutorial, we have seen what is the web page or what is a website. So, anything which we have seen, which we see in our internet is a web page. To develop that web page, we need some programming languages. One of the basic one is the HTML, PHP, JavaScript, .NET, and many more. So we have also seen there are two types of web pages. One is basic one and another one is complex one. The basic one just shows the images or the written material and does not contain any database. And the complex one have the database along with the front end of the pages, which retrieves the data and sends it to the front end. So to have a very basic and very important thing to learn in the web development is the HTML. Without this knowledge, we cannot develop any web page. So let's have find what it is. HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So this is a very basic language for any programming as well as for the web development. So let's see how it is evolved. First HTML language was developed in 1991. It was the first time when the world saw an internet page. After that, second version of HTML was come across in 1995, then another one in 1997, and after that HTML4 that was also popular was developed in 1999. After that XHTML, which comprises of XML and HTML, that comes into picture in 2000. After that, which is the latest one, is the HTML5, which is the very powerful one in the web development in case of HTML, which was developed in year 2014. So without wasting any time, we will see how to write an HTML code for a particular web page. So in this tutorial and the successive tutorials of HTML, we are going to develop a website which looks like this, which you can say a college website. The college name is ABC College of Technology. For that, we have developed a very basic and simple website which contains the heading, some tabs, the images, and the marquee which is moving towards the left side. And we have given some hyperlinks. After that, if we click something, it moves to another page like this. Let's see its overview. If we click here, it sorry, it is the just simple page. If we click on contact, it will open this page and like this. In this we have also added a table, a video also, and a document. So all this we are going to see in the successive tutorials of the HTML. We have also added some tabs of some social networking sites. After clicking it, we can go to the social networking related to this website. Like suppose we click on the Facebook one, it will open the Facebook. Like this, all these stuffs which is very basic for a particular website we will going to see in for successive tutorials of the HTML. So Let's see the syntax of the HTML. How to write a HTML code in a very basic manner. So let's start. To write an HTML document or HTML code, first of all we need to write a document. This is optional one. If you don't write, just don't, no one cares. So first is doc type. It shows which is the type of the document. Here the type of document is HTML. So close. This is the, we normally used to say this is the greater than or equal to sign. If you don't understand, just call it greater than or equal less than signs like this. After writing it, this is the optional one. If you don't write this, it's okay. Next is the important thing. This is the very compulsory one. Is the HTML tag. HTML. We have to. You can consider that as a bracket. If you open the bracket, you need to close it also. So this is the first tab or element of the HTML page. We usually call it an HT element. Next one is, okay, if we write this, we have to close this also. For closing it in HTML, we have to write this thing. Means we have, this is the opening of the HTML document and this is the closing of the HTML document. Everything which comes in the HTML document is between these tags or elements. So we write like this. This should be the end of the document and this should be the opening of the document. Okay. So next part is the head. Head refers to the heading of an HTML document. Suppose we see in this heading, after writing this, we have to close this head also. This one is for closing. Yeah, correct. Like this. So as we have seen, as I have told earlier, this is for the heading. So it shows the heading of the any web page. So as we can see here, in our web page, college website is the heading of our web page. So to write this, we need to write college website in the heading section or head section. For that we have to write it title. You can use lowercase or uppercase, no matters, but all at the time all should be the same. So we have opened the title section and then we need to close it. For closing, use this one. Yes. Everything which comes between this is the heading of our web page. Heading means, like here is, it is college website as it mentioned. So we have to write college website here. So it will appear over that bar. College website. Okay. So this is our heading. Look carefully. Whatever thing we are opening, we are closing here. Head is closed. Head is closed here. And the title is also closed here. Sorry, spelling mistake is there. So we have to carefully write everything. So after the heading section, this is our heading section. The main thing is the body which comes in the web page. So here ABC technology to everything, the yellow line which is here, which comes in the body of the any web page. So to write the body of the web page, we have to write the element or a tag like body. Normal English language, you don't need to remember anything. It is very simple. See, here we have opened the body section, and after that we will close this section. Sorry. Okay. So everything which we will write here will come in this web page. So this is the basic syntax of the any HTML document. The doc type is optional. It is no need to write. If you write it, it's okay, and not write, it will be okay. So this is a document type which shows whether it is an HTML document or HTML5 document. It shows that for any reference purpose. And the important one is HTML. These are the tags: HTML, head, title, body. These are the tags or elements. So first we need to open the HTML tag. This is the opening of any document, and this is the closing of the document. For head section, head means shows the title, which can be shown the title of web page. In the next few chapters, we will going to see the another significance of this head, which can be uh, used for the search engines to locate your web page if someone wants to get to your web pages. So here in the head section we use the metadata. It will be very confusing for you if I tell you right now, but for the this chapter we will see this as the basic syntax for HTML document. All the about the metadata we will see in the later chapter. But for any basic web page, this is the very important and basic syntax. After that, body, which shows everything which contains the web page. We need to close everything, and this is our basic syntax. So in the next tutorial, we will going to see how to develop a web page like this, and we will going to see this web page only for our reference purpose. So hope you have learned basic things about HTML. So let's move to our next tutorial in the next session. Thank you for joining us. Bye friends.